So I got this Macbook Pro 2015, 15-inch. Ooh, this battery was working, but it's really spicy. Fuck. So this laptop got no backlight. 15-inch 2015 Retina. And the cable looked alright. Yeah, it's in good condition. So I'm just, and there is no sign of liquid anywhere really. Maybe a little bit up there, rust, not on the board, on the screw. I'm gonna try to replace this cable. So you can use any Retina cable from any size, 13 or 15 inch, doesn't matter, they use the same cable, LCD cable. So just gonna try this and see if it resolves my issue. Not sure. It worked for me before on other MacBook, so kind of hopeful. But it's not a promise that it will work for sure. It's pretty much an easy laptop to work on, I find out. It's been a while since I worked on 2015, and it's pretty straightforward to remove the screen. Pretty much, I'm already there, so it's kind of fast. Be careful not breaking the LCD while doing it. So to do it, you gotta remove the whole screen assembly so you can get in it, because it's literally a part of the hinge. You replace the old right hinge with it. So I don't like going in the hinge, but no choice there. I have a full other laptop if I need the screen, but I mean, I want to try to save the most as I can. Maybe the other laptop got a spicy pillow even worse than this one, so I was hoping this one was okay. It seems like they both need a battery. They will get battery replacement for sure before I finish with them. Not today though, I don't have them. Oh, some more screw here that I forgot about. Just like kind of the side hinge thing. Crusty. Oh. Alright. They want me to pick them up. There you go. Toss this on the side. So, if I remember good, should remove the side of it first. Maybe not. Try to just slide it. Yeah. No need to go too far with that. Oh, a lot of tape here. Last time when it worked, everything was looking fine too. Like on the cable, if I remember good. Yep, we gotta remove some more here. Think so? Where is that thing? No, No, we good. Just that. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to. The Wi-Fi antenna. Gotta go. Feel like it. It's all there. It's only, I think, the second time I replace it. I might have undo some more just to recycle the piece. But replacing the LCD, I think it's my second time. And it's been so long ago, I don't quite remember. But yeah. Oh, there is rust here. Hopefully the connector will be fine, and it's really bad. See all the rust? Pretty bad. It looked burned. I'm gonna try to clean it up with some IPA. Ooh, it's rough. Maybe not. Every leg are still there, I think. Yep. Just really bad. Connector 2 is like kind of bad. Gonna clean some more. Maybe just remove it first. Yeah, so that connector had a glass of something. Or maybe it was just like some, I don't know, some rain. Okay. So yeah, pretty bad. Gonna try to clean some more. How it look inside. It looked pretty good though. No? Some IPA more. Yeah, everything is still there. Maybe I got a chance with that. I think might just save this one. Ooh. It's rough, but I mean, it's all there. Yeah. Okay. Let's change. Connector is pretty bad too. Let's hope for the best. My new one got all the screw good to go. I just did a speaker soldering on the 2018 Really happy it worked out. Made my day. And somebody had removed all the connection before and mess up, ripped off the old connector for one speaker. A little rough to enter on one side. Oh, I feel good now. Hopefully I won't fuck this up. Like that. Oh, just like that. Let's put all those star screw in there. Gotta go back. So might clean this LCD delamination after if it worked. Sad I won't do it before I test the screen because I won't clean the delamination on an LCD if it's fucked up. Magnetize that bit back. Feel like when you tend to work in an area where there's a lot of magnet, it demagnetize your screwdriver. Don't know what I've done, but look at that. Squeeze that. And one left here. That's a lot of screw for something small thing. In the new one, it's actually on the board, kinda over the board, the Bluetooth connection and Wi-Fi connection, and there's so many small screws, but you have to remove it before you remove the screen. It's even more annoying than this. This is just partially annoying. Go back. Yep. You want to get that hinge cover back straight. Yeah. This little bit. Yep, back in there. Heard it. Look perfect. I'm gonna know the answer pretty soon. Already on the way back. It was a quick one. Probably need to dust this thing out. What do you think? Yeah, I think so. Let me just close that thing. Yeah. It's good. Good. Need to put back those little annoying inch cover on the side. Here, no sign of water. I mean, like all the red dots are still white, so seems like it was really just a little tiny drip of water went straight into that LCD. Maybe even like somebody cleaning the LCD. Maybe not, but it looks so dirty here. I'm not sure it's from cleaning. But maybe, like, I mean, not sure which side was where. You know, like this fit okay. Yours? No. Yeah, and this. This is good. This is good. I had a feeling for a second like this thing was not on the good side, but was it? It's incredible that like all the size, I mean 15-inch or 30-inch, use the same size ribbon for that connection because it's kinda tight. I like it though. Make like any broken LCD you got, you can get that ribbon back and it might save you a LCD. Those screens are still so expensive. It's like crazy expensive. Dust wanna get in the connection? Yeah, I should clean that. I will before moving on with it totally. I still have to do the battery on this one at some point. Can't believe this thing old battery anyway. Little last Bluetooth antenna. Oh yeah, those were really such a narrow connector. Like, I feel like the new ones are even bigger. Whew. Okay. So it's get in there. It's a moment de vérité. Time to see our connection replacement. The battery. Push the top cap, the back cover now. Let's see if the repair did its charm. Oh, pretty stoked on that one. It worked. So there you go. Backlight is back. That was totally unplanned. Like, I mean, wasn't sure if I wanted to film it, and like, there you go. It's really a good example. Gotta clean that LCD now and find a new battery. Oh, it worked. I mean, trackpad was feeling a bit rough. So they want to reset the password. Let's do that. Why not? So pretty glad I do it. Thanks for checking my channel, my video. Please check the channel for more video like this. I mean, I do all kind of MacBook repair. And subscribe, please. Subscribe. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day.